interior designer, you look after, the design of the home, from materials, finishes, colours. You look at furniture, artwork. Modern design was definitely the inspiration for this home. Why I think this is Australia's best house is because it's a stunning home. It's got a beautiful layout. The design and the zones and the materials just get really shown off and highlighted throughout the entire home.
Good morning, Gemma. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very well. So Gemma, being here with the interior designer, we're going to find out all the secrets today that make this home look so amazing.
Yep.
Let's go and have a look.
Yep, perfect.
After you.
Thank you.
We come into the front living room, the lowered ceilings, the gas log fire. You almost get a sense of romance. And then you walk into this space and it opens right up.
Yeah, well look, definitely you walk through and you've got this massive stunning void, which then flows through to the family area. The natural light obviously is emphasised through the void. I think having an open plan staircase with glass balustrading really assists in that.
It's an amazing light-filled room, and you do get that opulent feeling of space and that open plan living. We're here at the kitchen now. We've walked through 2 living spaces, an incredible home office, and look at this.
Yeah, look, the kitchen is stunning. I think it's definitely a massive feature of the home. You walk in, we've got gorgeous porcelain splashback, we've got feature black cabinetry, we've got profiled cabinetry doors, and then we've got these dual wall ovens, which I think are a really nice feature. But the standout island bench, I think people just love bench space. And then we've got this amazing pantry with a pantry in the pantry. So it's a really, really great design.
We've got these amazing living spaces downstairs, but to every good home, there's a really personal touch as well. I can't wait to go upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms and see what you've done up there.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
after
go.
you. We have talked about the size of the home now, but probably the main thing for me walking up here is the different feels I get coming into these spaces, a really personal touch. It's like we're in a luxury hotel. There's a sense of style, there's a sense of sophistication.
It's got this wraparound, huge walk-in robe at the back of the bed, and then you go into this beautiful, massive ensuite. So it does have that grand hotel feeling. We've got another 4 bedrooms up here, and each of those bedrooms share a 2-way ensuite as well. Really, all the areas really touch on that high-end feel.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, it's amazing to have met you today and get to see the interior designers aspect of the home, and also see your incredible home here. I can't thank you enough.
Yeah, no, thank you so much.
Thank you. With good space-rich design and their attention to detail, how exciting to see such incredible quality in a display home.